Okay, you guys, I'm going to go over some midweek numbers. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is going to be big news. So I want to go over this, guys, and make sure that I remind you of tomorrow's big news event, which is the Fed interest rates. If you're brand new to trading, don't trade. All right. So as you can see, we're 3-1 so far. This one little loss was only for 17 pips, so who really cares? So far, we're at a 75% win rate. We have 3 wins and that little 17 pip loss, no big deal. And that's what's happening on the copycat. Then we have the oil and silver. Let me see if I can grab those numbers for you guys. Then we're going to go over some charts. And I'm going to go over the futures market and kind of show you guys what happened this morning. Let me see if I can grab this for you guys. Let's see. Okay, so far, here's where we are with oil and silver. Let me get a screenshot of this for you guys, and then I'll put that on the screen. And you can see that for yourself. All right, so here we go. All right, so here's the oil and silver numbers. So far, we are marching right on in. As you know, oil has been climbing up because of the war with Israel and Ukraine. I said Ukraine. No, it's not Ukraine. Iran. Iran is a huge oil producer. And so anything that tampers with their oil fields is going to automatically skyrocket the oil markets globally. And so therefore, we had some very nice wins so far. Up 1,300 pips on that so far, and another 75% win rate. I also posted for the US 30 for the indice trades that so far since last week, we're at 100% win rate on that. So now let me go over what's happening in these futures markets and the regular market. So as you can see right now, this is the NAS. It's very sketchy. So let me pull up the futures market as well and give you guys this information. And as you can see, as a reflection, I might have to hop into this. If you keep going, I might have to hop in you right now. Ugly, no, I'm just playing. I'm not going to hop in any trades. This is typical behavior right before a big news event. The market is just all over the place, doesn't know exactly what it wants to do. It's like a dizzy drunk who just fell out the bar and trying to find another bar. So as you can see, this is exactly what the NAS is looking like. NAS is looking nasty. I'll repeat, NAS is looking nasty. Okay, nasty. All right. Anyway, moving on. So this is what the NAS look like. Here's what the S&P 500 looks like. Pretty ugly. And this is what the YAM or the US 30 looks like. Okay, nice drop, pullback, and a slap right here. So it's not going anywhere. But I will say this, as far as the currency pairs, we have plucked out what we're going to be plucking out until after tomorrow's news event, because as I told you guys, the Fed interest rates is going to impact the markets globally. Let me show you some trades also from the that I did send out. This is one of mine that I took, and I told you guys Sunday to look out for this trade. This is one of the JPY pairs. I didn't check the other JPYs, but again, I can't take any more trades. But there you go. This one dropped down like I told you guys. I warned you on Sunday. I said, hey, keep an eye on the JPY pairs. There we go. That's an arrow saying down, downward. Okay, that one's still sitting there. Let's check this one. I told you guys. There we go. They're dropping. I told you that. But at this point, you got to sit and wait. Nothing you can do because why? Fed interest rates is tomorrow, plus a bunch of others. But I did warn you guys about this setup right here. I told you that I was looking at them and that they're going to be touching this top. And once they do, let them drop. Okay, I warned you. Easy money. Look at that. You can see it clustered up there, and there we go. All right, now let's go to the futures market real quick, and I will show you some trades that I took this morning. Now, as I said before, the indices are extremely choppy, sloppy, and ugly, but that doesn't mean the rest of them. Bing, 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 bing. Oh, that was a nice one. All these I took to the downside, baby. Slid down like a wig in the wind. No, the wig in the wind blows backwards. So they slid down. I don't know, but, you got backsliding and then you got front sliding. So all these just slid down. Just slid down the pole. All of these. So I ate good off all of these. And we'll see how tonight works out during the Asian session. But yeah, these are all very, 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 very beautiful. So my thing is, guys, this is why I add in the currency pairs, because once the indice pairs are very, very choppy and sloppy, sometimes you can hop into the currency pairs and they actually move a little bit more gracefully, okay? A little bit gracefully. And so these worked out extremely well, even though these worked out very ugly. As you can see, chop, 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 chop. But these were butter smooth. Okay. So anyway, that's that, guys. I just want to give you a midweek update so that you guys can know what's going on in the markets. And if you're in the Futrix Asian session, I will see you in tonight's session so that we can continue to profit from these nice moves on the currency pairs. And then I'll tell you up in advance, we're probably just going to stick to gold and to the currency pairs and avoid the indice pairs since they're so choppy and sloppy tonight. So if you're in the Futrix Asian session, that's what you can expect. All right. All righty then, people. Have a good one, and I will see you tonight in class. Futrix.com, or if you want to be copied on our trades, it's superezcopycat.com. Bye.